Welcome to another Coleman & Company demonstration of the Hotfix era rhinestone transfer software. It's really easy software to use, but we do get a lot of questions, and we're going to try to answer these in a very simple way, one at a time. And the first one is using basic shapes, and this gives you an idea just of how to use the software in general. But what I'm going to do is I hit the new document button, which you can see is really simple. It's right at the top. And I'm just going to do a closed shape today, and because Valentine's Day is coming up, I'm just going to pick a heart. But you could do lightning bolts, flags. You can see there are quite a large number of shapes in here that you can choose from, and they will all react just the same way to what I'm going to show you. So I'm going to choose the heart, and if you notice, I get this vector menu. And the three important things that you want to choose from right here are, this is just an outline. So if I do the heart now, I'm just going to get at the outline of a heart. If I go to heart again, and I do the fill, I'm just going to get the fill of a heart, and this one is going to give me both. So what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to do an outline because that's very simple. So I chose the outline. You see that there. When I go to layout, it gives me the opportunity to choose a size. You see the layout tab right up here, size tab. I can drag here and I can make it any size I'd like, or I can be more precise. Go up here. I want this to be 3 inches tall, and right now I have it set to lock the aspect ratio. So now I have a 3-inch by just under 2.5-inch heart. And here's the hard part. So I want you to pay close attention. I've got to transfer this to Hotfix. Hit the Path with Hotfix button up here, and then choose my stone size, which will make it 16s. And now let's see what it looks like. Okay, and pretty much you're done. I mean, that is what your heart is going to look like once you send it out. It's going to have, you can of course pick whatever stones you want to, but these are the cutout holes it's going to make. Now, one thing I do want to do is I want to go back into my heart here and show you what happens when I change the spacing. Now, this is important if you're doing a brush and bake system, if you're using a plotter. You want to make sure that this number is at least 15 to ensure that there's enough space in between the beads. So that's what I want to do. See, I'm basically adjusting the space in between the beads when I do that. So at least a 15. Now, for now, what I would do is go to File, send my Hotfix to Cutter, and you'll recognize this interface. You can also save this as a PLT file, but at this point, you just send it out, and it will make your heart cutout design. So that's it. It works the same with all the other shapes, whether you're doing boxes or hearts or circles or flags. This is the simplest way I can show you on how to use a shape inside Hotfix Era by Sierra. If you have any questions, you are welcome to call us, of course, or you can reach us on the website at colemanandcompany.com. Thanks. Hope we see you again.